Hi, I'm Ron Miller. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Baltimore. My office is downtown, 2 blocks from the Inner Harbor. Here's a picture of what it looks like out my window every day. If you have a large case that would go to a jury, Baltimore City and Prince George's County are the best jurisdictions in Maryland. Why? Because jurors in those counties are most likely to give the victim a fair shake. This spills over into the settlement value of cases as well. Plaintiffs in Baltimore City are more likely to get higher compensation and quicker settlements than plaintiffs in other Maryland jurisdictions. The last malpractice case we tried in Baltimore City was a case against a doctor in a Baltimore hospital. A father and husband was killed by a medical mistake. The hospital didn't take the case very seriously. They never even bothered to make a settlement offer. So we took the case to trial and we asked the Baltimore City jury to award the victims $10 million in our closing statement. They did exactly that and awarded our clients the full $10 million. Verdicts like this in Baltimore City send a message to insurance companies that Miller & Zois is ready to go to trial. Now, most of our clients would rather settle their case than go to trial. How does that help them? Well, when you have a law firm that has a track record of success, it leads to faster and higher settlements. So we're rarely required to go to trial in Baltimore to get our cases resolved because the majority of our cases settle in an out-of-court settlement. If you've been injured or lost a loved one in Baltimore City, we can help you stand up for your rights and get you the compensation you deserve for your pain and suffering and agony that the insurance company does not even try to understand. Call us at 410-779-4600. Thank you.